Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to take your ride from meth to marvelous? Then you need this Rwraps Secret Code Purple Abstract Vinyl Wrap. This bad boy is like a secret weapon for your car's exterior. Just a few swipes and boom, your car goes from blend in to stand out in the crowd. The Secret Code Purple Abstract Geometric Print will have people doing a double take and asking, what's the secret code to unlock that fly car? But don't worry, the only code you need is the one to your wallet to buy this wrap. But it's not just about the looks, folks. This vinyl wrap film is also super durable and resistant to fading, so your car will be the freshest ride on the block for years to come. Plus, it's easy to install and remove, so you can change up the design whenever you want. Because let's be real, we all get tired of things after a while, even our cars. But here's the best part. The Rwraps Secret Code Purple Abstract Print Vinyl Wrap Film is versatile enough to be used on more than just cars. You can wrap your bike, your laptop, your fridge, your grandma. Okay, maybe not your grandma, but you get the point. The possibilities are endless. So, don't wait any longer to give your ride the makeover it deserves. Add some Rwraps Secret Code Purple Abstract Print Vinyl Wrap Film to your cart and let the compliments roll in. Your car will thank you, and your ego will be boosted. Who knows, with this wrap, you might even get a secret admirer or two. So hurry up and buy a roll today.